Relationship Analytics by TrustView. I'd like to perform a quick demonstration of TrustView using email data from our demo company. Here is the dashboard that you start with. Let's have a look at a couple of interesting views. The relationship view allows account managers to understand exactly what is happening with a particular client or account and provides you with a set of analytics to further your decisions. Here, we are looking at our demo company's relationships with LGE Energy. What we are able to do is to surface any relationships that our organization has with anyone at LGE Energy. A couple of patterns emerge. Firstly, on the right corner you can see a few employees and their relationships as islands. Here in the middle, you can see a few people with large networks. You can also see a few others who look to be strong collaborators. The thickness of these lines shows the volumes of communications between these people. By looking back in time, we can see how these relationships have been built over time. As you can see here, new relationships are being added, and some are getting stronger over time. This visual representation of a company's networks makes it easy for an account manager to understand what is really happening with a particular account. Let me show you another powerful function of TrustView. Let's say we wanted to drill down on a particular individual to understand his or her relationships with your client account. Let's take, for example, Deborah Pereira and her relationships with LGE Energy. We can instantly see all of her relationships, 17 unique relationships in this case. You can quickly see that she has a number of strong relationships and some weak ones. By filtering on relationship strength or trust score, let's look at her strongest relationships. You can see that there are a number of people she has strong relationships with. For example, Carol McKay. We can instantly see all of the other relationships that this person has within our company, so we can provide both the inside-out view and the outside-in view of the networks. It gives you a very clear view as to who within the organization knows any particular person and how they are connected. Imagine that Deborah Pereira was now to leave the company and that we wanted to ensure that she performed a structured handover of the valuable relationships developed while working at our company. We can see every relationship that she has, and we can focus on transitioning the strongest and most important ones to ensure that we don't lose customers. Now we can see all of the relationships that she has had with LGE Energy and how current those relationships are. We can also see the strength of those relationships. Another key feature in the transition report is identifying who else in the organization has the strongest relationship with a particular individual and can provide relevant information and context to the relationship. It's again a powerful tool to help anyone make decisions on evidence rather than just on instinct. Relationship Analytics by TrustView.